Recently, the space community was rocked by a discovery that captivated scientists worldwide. Bill Nye, renowned for bringing science to the public, announced a startling finding from the far reaches of the cosmos. Voyager 1, the legendary spacecraft launched nearly half a century ago, had detected over 300 massive objects drifting silently in the void of interstellar space. This revelation ignited curiosity and raised profound questions. What are these mysterious bodies, and where did they originate in the galaxy? For nearly 50 years, the Voyager spacecraft have been humanity's eyes at the edge of the solar system, sending back breathtaking images and vital data. When they were conceived in the 1970s, their mission was expected to last only 5 years. Michael Movic, an engineer at NASA, had devised a clever plan using planetary gravity assists to boost the spacecraft's speed, allowing them to reach farther than anyone imagined. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 launched just weeks apart in 1977, embarking on a journey to explore Jupiter and Saturn. Their initial mission focused on these gas giants, capturing detailed observations of their swirling atmospheres, moons, and iconic ring systems. Yet the mission didn't end there. Voyager 2 went on to perform historic flybys of Uranus in 1986 and Neptune in 1989, providing humanity with its first close-up views of these distant worlds. This grand tour redefined what we knew about the solar system and demonstrated the extraordinary potential of human ingenuity. But even beyond the planets, the resilient spacecraft pressed on into the unknown, venturing into the depths of interstellar space. In 2013, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the influence of the Sun gives way to the vast, cold expanse between the stars. Voyager 2 followed in 2018, marking humanity's first foray into interstellar space. These pioneering craft became our messengers, studying the heliosphere, the solar wind-shaped bubble that shields our planets from cosmic radiation, and sending data back across billions of miles. Crossing the heliopause is like leaving a familiar, calm neighborhood and entering an untamed wilderness, a turbulent sea where cosmic rays surge 3 times stronger than within the solar bubble. In 2023, scientists revealed another remarkable discovery. Voyager 1 had detected a faint, continuous hum produced by vibrating gas in interstellar space. These subtle vibrations, drifting across the void, provided new insight into the behavior of interstellar plasma. Nicola Fox, head of NASA's Heliophysics Division, emphasized that the mission has fundamentally changed our understanding of the Sun and its interaction with the wider galaxy. Over 46 years, these spacecraft have endured harsh, frigid conditions that would cripple ordinary technology, powered by the slow decay of plutonium that generates heat for their instruments. As the plutonium supply gradually diminishes, NASA has had to carefully manage energy, shutting down non-essential systems to conserve power. Despite this, all 5 of Voyager's key instruments continue to operate, a testament to engineering brilliance and the mission's remarkable longevity. The spacecraft have survived extreme temperatures, cosmic radiation, and the isolation of deep space, continuing to send invaluable data back to Earth like tireless explorers in a frozen wilderness. One of the most puzzling aspects of Voyager's journey is the behavior of the heliopause itself. It is not a smooth, uniform boundary, but one that bends, tilts, and fluctuates unpredictably. Over the past decade, data from Voyager and the IBEX satellite have shown shifts in the heliopause that defy expectations. In 2014, IBEX recorded an unusual brightening of energetic particles, patterns that did not match existing models and suggested new dynamics at the solar system's edge. These anomalies help explain why Voyager 1 entered interstellar space years before Voyager 2, revealing a complex and dynamic frontier far beyond the Sun's influence. In May 2023, Voyager 1 experienced a serious communication glitch, a stark reminder of just how far it has traveled. At over 15 billion miles from Earth, even a simple command takes more than 22 hours to reach the spacecraft, and the response returns after the same interval. This delay turns every transmission into a tense, patient conversation across the vast cosmic void. Voyager's legacy continues to inspire wonder, teaching us that even the smallest instruments, launched decades ago, can illuminate the farthest corners of space and reshape our understanding of the universe. Against all expectations, Voyager continues to operate, a testament to human ingenuity and engineering brilliance. Its survival in the frigid, empty reaches of interstellar space highlights the resilience of both machine and human curiosity. Then came a revelation that stunned the scientific community. Voyager had detected over 300 mysterious objects drifting in the void. These were not ordinary space debris. Their shapes, trajectories, and speeds defied conventional explanations, hinting at something unusual lurking in the dark. The data revealed that these objects did not reflect light like planets or asteroids. Instead, they seemed to absorb it in irregular patterns, almost as if cloaked in shadows, creating a phenomenon scientists could hardly interpret. Even more striking was their distribution, spread across vast stretches of space in what appeared to be an ordered arrangement, as though deliberately positioned. Dr. Laura Gordon, a senior analyst, noted that some of the objects emitted pulsing energy at regular intervals, reminiscent of a distant cosmic clock. Could they be beacons, markers, or remnants of an ancient intelligence? Speculation grew rapidly. While some researchers leaned toward natural explanations, others dared to consider artificial origins. Voyager's instruments continued to capture subtle signals that did not match known sources such as pulsars or black holes. The rhythmic pulses, geometric energy patterns, and unusual motion suggested these objects might not be mere rocks drifting through space. They could be artifacts left behind by a civilization long vanished or observing from afar. The possibility both thrilled and unnerved scientists, pushing the boundaries of imagination while demanding rigorous analysis. The idea of alien life has long captured humanity's fascination, but tangible evidence has always eluded us. Voyager's discoveries may represent a turning point, a moment that forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos. Bill Nye captured the sentiment perfectly, describing the phenomenon as akin to finding footprints on a distant shore we never expected to reach. Laboratories, universities, and observatories worldwide have been swept up in the excitement, analyzing every pattern, every pulse, and every anomaly to understand their significance. Some speculate these objects could be a form of surveillance, silent witnesses to life on Earth, while others imagine ancient relics drifting slowly through interstellar currents. Among the discoveries, one object stood out. It rotated every 88 minutes, emitting rhythmic bursts of energy in a triangular formation inside a swirling vortex. The readings defied conventional physics and left scientists awestruck, as though observing a machine operating under rules not yet understood. Voyager's ongoing observations tracked its movements, signals, and changes, revealing a mix of slow drifters and rapid, darting bodies that challenged every expectation of deep space behavior. NASA has mobilized a team of top astrophysicists and engineers to study the anomaly, developing algorithms to decode the mysterious signals and reviewing decades of Voyager data for overlooked clues. If these objects are indeed artificial, it could represent humanity's first direct encounter with intelligence beyond Earth, a discovery that would rewrite science, philosophy, and perhaps even our understanding of life itself. Meanwhile, public fascination has exploded. Social media buzzes with speculation, diagrams, and theories, ranging from cautious curiosity to wild claims of disclosure. The world watches, waiting for answers, while NASA continues its careful balance between excitement and scientific integrity. The official stance remains that the objects are unidentified. No claims of extraterrestrial origin have been made. Yet each new measurement deepens the mystery, drawing humanity ever closer to the unknown. As Voyager 1 and 2 drift farther into the star-filled void, they continue to explore regions untouched by time. Eventually, their power will fade, and they will fall silent, but the golden records they carry, etched with music, images, and messages from Earth, will persist as a time capsule of our existence. These small spacecraft are more than machines. They are symbols of curiosity and hope, extending humanity's reach into the cosmos. They remind us that even in the vast darkness, we can leave a mark, ask questions, and dream. Voyager continues its silent journey, scanning the infinite horizon, a tiny scout bearing witness to the mysteries of space and the enduring spirit of human exploration.